software as a service, that is SaaS. Hello and welcome to our video about SaaS, also known as software as a service. In this video, we will discuss about SaaS and give a breakdown to understand the basis of the SaaS and its advantages. So the first question that comes in mind is, what is SaaS? So in the simple term, SaaS is a software delivery model that allows users to access software applications over the internet without having to install or maintain the software on their computers or servers. The software is hosted by a third-party provider who is responsible for maintaining and updating the software. It means that users can access the latest software version from any device with an internet connection without worrying about the installing updates or patch by themselves. Now you understand all these things. The next point is coming as SaaS is a particular model for many types of software, including business applications such as customer relationship management, that is CRM, enterprise resource planning, that is ERP, and human resources management systems, that is HRMS. It is also used for productivity tools such as word processors and spreadsheet programs, and for the various other applications such as project managements, online learning platforms, and online marketplaces. Now it's time to talk about the advantage of SaaS. One of the main advantages of SaaS is that it allows users to access the software from any device with just an internet connection and without having to install or maintain the software on their computers. So if we are going to understand from the point of view of small businesses and startups, then it is a perfect model for them because they don't have to manage the resources and maintain their software infrastructure. Additionally, SaaS providers often offer flexible pricing options and subscriptions-based billing, making it easier for businesses to budget for a scale their software uses. Another advantage of SaaS is that it can help reduce upfront costs, since user does not need to purchase license or hardware to run the software. Businesses can get started with SaaS application quickly and easily without a significant upfront investment. So if we are going to summarize SaaS, then we can understand that SaaS is a software delivery model that allows user to access software applications over the internet without having to install or maintain the software by themselves. It is a convenient and cost-effective way for businesses to use software and is particularly well suited for small businesses and startups. I hope you found this video meaningful. So thanks for watching our video on SaaS. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down about what you want to learn in the next video. Till that, take care and see you next time.